Okay, we're talking about rust repair. So the trunk. There's a spot here. And then below the pan, floor plan, and there was a spot here, I cut it out. So I'm gonna weld that in. Match, there was a hole right there for wiring. You can see the hole down below. And then I put this on here like this. And there's a little hole here. So what I do is I go around and tap it with my little body hammer, find out where the rest is. I'll cut that out. But here's the shape I'm going to cut it out. Actually, on this one, I'm just going to cut out the rot and then just drill some 3/16 holes and weld it right in place because it's going to be under a carpet. So if it's going to be under a carpet, I'm not going to butt weld it. So I've got a spot here. I've rust treated it. I've put as much out as I can. This is not going to be a show car. And then, again, you just shape it. That's that piece, and then there's a piece back here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in the trunk. That's under the driver's, under the steering wheel. 6, 7, 8. This piece goes here. I cut it too short. I made a mistake, so I'm gonna have to weld that on. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And up here on the cowl, you know, there's so many damn shapes, and this is going to be exposed. I'm going to do flush butt welds here. So every one of those. So what I did is I just find the rot, went around with the hammer. So then I'll cut this piece, this shape, and then I'll cut out the rot and weld it all the way around. Same thing on all these. That one I gotta take this little rubber grommet. So I forgot what I said, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Again, I didn't want to buy a whole cowl piece. It'd be a real bitch to take this thing apart. I'm gonna guess this is gonna take, I don't know, a couple days maybe. Not full days. And then after I do that, then I do this little, I forget what they call it, a little fly panel, or I can't, sail panel, the quarter panel. And then over here, the quarter panel shot. So I'll cut that up somewhere about where that line is. I'm not sure yet. And then there's some rod on the inside, I think. That cell panel. I can't see it from here, but you can see it from below. Anyway, that's how I'm doing it. I mean, sure, it'd be nice if I had another car. I guess I could have bought a piece and cut it all the way like that, but I didn't buy this piece. Maybe I should have. But part of this is I want to practice sheet metal welding. The car only cost $2,000. I got most of the parts upstairs. And then I got to do some work on one of these doors. And then here's the engine. I had it rebuilt 30 over, so it's going to be well, it was a 400, so I'm not sure what 30 over is. But it's going to be 9 3/4 compression compared to what it was like, I want to say 8, real low in 76. So after I do all the sheet metal, then I'll probably pull this front end off and bolt it, pull it out. Like I said, there's no rush. Pull the rear end out, same thing. Clean it up. I mean, it's not that bad. It's just something to do. When I'm done, here's something pretty cool. I made a LED lamp, and I got found these 60, if you can see it, 65-pound magnets. Since it's a metal car, I can put this light anywhere I want. It's got a switch. It's really nice. So that's it on this one. Oh, here's where I tried to hang a lamp, like a drop light. That doesn't work. The drop light twists the wrong direction, not enough light. But when I put that fluorescent in here, it works really good. So what I did is I did buy a floor pan for the trunk and the interior. And so I just cut pieces out, and then I have enough metal left. Plenty of metal left. So cut these pieces in. Now why it rotted, I'm not sure. I think it was out in the rain. These are spots that water just sat. You can see it's kind of a natural. I think it was kind of pointed up. The car was kind of sitting on uphill, so the water just got trapped in here. But it's not that bad. That's it. And there's some of the parts I got. There's an old engine. I got some parts to put on that engine because this engine was missing everything. It's just like a basket case. It was froze. That's it.